guys, I am Tanveer. You are watch ARYHOST.com channel. In this video, I am tell you how to upload premium theme using a cPanel. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe him and press the bell icon for latest video. In this video, domain and hosting is very important. If you have not domain and hosting, go to your browser, type ARYHOST.com. ARYHOST.com, the best web hosting provider company in all over the world. Link in description. Go to this link. Buy domain and hosting. If you have any question, our WhatsApp support is available. Leave a message on WhatsApp. Buy any plan, get 1 month free. Our live chat support available. Buy any plan and log in your cPanel. I enter our domain decreaseserial.com, cPanel, login. Go to file manager. Click on public HTML. I check this, our domain dashboard, WordPress dashboard before. decreaseserial.com dashboard. I check this. Our theme is available in this tab. Login. Go to appearance, theme, in this time two theme available, our domain, our WordPress dashboard. See him. I upload one theme using a cPanel. Go to public HTML, then WP content. Click on theme. Yes. 3 themes available in this time. Two theme and 1 zip file, theme file available in this time. Click on upload. Select any file. I select this. ARYHOST zip file. I open this. This take a minute but depends your internet speed. In this method, you upload any heavy theme file. Don't worry. Yes, our file is upload. Go back and check this. Reload him. ARYHOST zip file available. Click on and extract him. File location not change. Click on extract. Yes, our file is extract. Go back and reload degree serial WordPress dashboard. Yes, our theme is upload. Click on activate, but I am use this demo purpose. Yes, live preview. In this method, you upload any heavy file, but drag not upload this file. Yes, I use this, but you use this. If you have any question, go to WhatsApp and leave a message. If you have any problem, go to this video description and comment here. I answer you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.